But you know, God was so faithful and brought me out of so much, and I'm grateful for that. So I'm looking at the good, the blessing that came out of us, to getting that testimony and to share it with the world and to be able to strengthen someone through my former pain. I'm not going to say my current pain because it's no longer current. God healed me, and he's yet healing me every day. Now I gotta tell you, sometimes it's a process. All right, now I'm gonna use this little spoon here. Yeah, while y'all around here judging, yeah, I got stuff. I don't be online to show off nice things and all that stuff. I'm blessed, but that's not what I'm here for. So I'm using this everyday spoon. So I'm putting this big old giant bowl right here. Might not fill the whole bowl up. Let's see some for later. Let's hope my son don't come in here and think it's his. Because he knows how to cook. He cooks his own food. I'm sure he can cook too. I'm just letting you know, he cooks, he loves the Lord, and he pays his bills. It's good husband material right there, but he ain't ready yet, so don't y'all go coming after him. You hear me? But anyway, stay positive. Let the word get in your spirit and believe God's word, and he'll take you through anything. So I'm going to sit down and I'm getting ready to enjoy this. And this. And read some more. And I will talk to you guys later. Love you.